sworn in the new president of the...
Everybody, good to be here. I'm thankful and feel very honored of presiding over the UN General Assembly for the next year, the 80th session. Being sworn in on the original UN Charter reminds us what the world can achieve together, but looking from Gaza to Ukraine and to Sudan, Haiti, reminds us as well how many times we have failed to deliver on its promises on peace and security, human rights and justice, and sustainability. We currently stand at a crossroad. The UN is under pressure financially and politically. This is why the 80th session is no ordinary session. Our job, 80 years after the UN's creation, back then also in a world with divide, is to keep our United Nations alive, to strengthen it and to make the UN fit for the 21st century. Our job in this 80th session is to show 8 billion people why this organization still matters. Will that be easy? Definitely not. But I'm convinced of without the UN. In the upcoming months, I look forward to working together with all member states in this endeavor to strengthen our United States. When I was elected, I made a commitment to the 193 member states that as the President of the General Assembly, I will be an impartial but passionate advocate of the United Nations, always guided by the UN Charter. In the spirit of this, the theme of the 80th session is "We are better together." I thank you.
From the statement you gave when you were Foreign Minister of Germany, when you condone Israel,
Please underline that this 80th session is no normal session. The escalation of today is obviously concerning, and I call on all parties to exercise maximum restraint. As required by our UN Charter, the sovereignty and territorial integrity of all member states must be respected and not violated by any member state. We do not need more tension in the region, but intensified diplomatic efforts towards an immediate and permanent ceasefire, an improvement of the humanitarian situations for the civilians in Gaza by the Israeli government, and the release of all hostages held by Hamas.